What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just woke up. If you guys noticed, I've been missing some uploads lately because of family stuff. It's been Christmas time. I've been spending time with my family. I haven't been uploading that much. So today is going to be a throwback day for Angry Grandpa. So we're going to watch one of his old Angry Grandpa videos. Let's hop right into the video. This video is called Angry Grandpa's New Refrigerator. And I've watched this video, but I don't know if you guys watch it. So go check out Angry Grandpa. So today we're just going to react to it. And let's hop right back into the video.
Damn refrigerator stove. I know what you want from me, dude. Well, I want you to go get me a goddamn refrigerator stove. You should have broken your shit. How about that? You promised it, and now you get it. What are you doing? Are you filming? Yeah, you're right. No, you're not filming. You're not me off. No, I want to film you how stupid you. Yeah, let's film this. Yeah, let's film it. Let's show you making me do without a goddamn refrigerator. I'm not making you do without anything. Come on, let me show you what you're making me do. Come here. Okay, go ahead, dude. Look, it wanted the freezer. You can't put drinks in a goddamn freezer. They'll freeze. Now, look at this. I don't really have any drinks in there, dude. I barely got anything in here because I'm afraid to put too much. Where's my damn refrigerator? At the store waiting to be bought. How that? Then go buy it. No, I'm not buying anything. You shouldn't have showed your ass and broken the refrigerator to the stove. Got a hole over there to a damn stove going down there. What do you want me to do, dude? I want you to go get me a damn refrigerator stove. I'm not doing it. I mean now. No. Well, that's why you ain't come over lately. Well, yeah, because I'm not going to do it. I told you I'm gone for a few days. What's that, man? You feel guilty because you won't buy your daddy a damn refrigerator? Not anything. You poor little thing. Get me a mother. You know you made me go down without a refrigerator and stove? You made yourself go all this time without a refrigerator. I'm having any goddamn TV dinners. What's wrong with TV dinners? I ain't watching TV. Well, you know what? Maybe you would have a TV for your bedroom if you didn't destroy the one in the Super Bowl. How about get on your ass and go get me a damn... How about you don't break it? How about you don't break it? Go get me a damn refrigerator. Now. No. Yes. No. Now. I'm not getting you anything, dude. Now. You think yelling at me is going to get it done?
Angry Grandpa always getting mad over something simple.
Yep. No, it's not. I'm not trying another way. Michael, would you please give me... Go get me a goddamn refrigerator! No. And a stove. I want another smooth top. Can you understand that? We got it yourself. I don't need it. We got too much work to do in your yard and shit. After that, we'll get you a fridge and a stove. I need it now. Now, I said, you understand me? Yelling's not going to get it done, Dad. It's not phasing me. What else you gonna pay? You don't got a stove. You don't got a fridge. What else is there? I ain't cooking you no goddamn well. That's fine. You ain't gonna get a stove to cook on, so. See?
You get it yourself, dude.
See? Tired of shooting, turn that motherfucker off. And you gonna talk like an adult about it? Yeah, turn it off, motherfucker. No. You honest to God ain't gonna get it. No, I'm not getting it. I ain't gonna get nothing out of you. You don't deserve it, Dad. I did it. Fine, go. Yeah.
You don't deserve it.
I'm staying here, dude. No, you're not. You're getting out. No, I'm staying here. Yeah. Force me out. How about that? No problem. You know, all over a stove and a fridge. I need one. You won't give me one. You wouldn't need it. Let's go. Get out.
I want to leave.
I'll never come back if you throw me out. Bye.
Let's go.
I'm going to Dallas soon for WrestleMania. You will not see me again. Good. Stay on the plane. Buy your own stove. For as long as I live, don't you eat out my refrigerator? Don't you cook on my stove? You stay the hell away from them. They're mine. I bought them. I paid for them. Just like that? What? Is he here by himself? Yeah. Stove too, man. Probably better when you were probably better than.
He bought his own stove, refrigerator. Oh my God.
When you bought me anyway. And I got me a new refrigerator. Ooh, what do you think, Michael? Look at that. Nice and ruby face. It's got stuff in it. How about that shit, Michael? Got stuff in it. Let's see what the freezer. Ooh, look at that freezer. the pizza there, yeah. Looks good, You know,
So in this video, there's going to be 2 videos that I'm reacting to. 2 videos. This one and the next one that we're about to watch. So I'm filming 2 videos in one, so I don't have to react to 2 more videos. After these 2, I'm going to react to 1 more, and then I'll be done uploading today. And then I could just relax for the rest of the day. So now we're going to watch Angry Grandpa destroys his kitchen.
This don't look like it's level.
It's
Who cares?
It's leveled out, not all the way.
Right?
Yeah.
This does look good.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Look at that. I can be the pot man. Hey, you the pot man. This looks good. Hey, I'll admit, I didn't think the pot rack was gonna look good in the kitchen.
It's transformed.
I was like 2 different lights. Oh yeah. Looks good. It looks very good. And the paint. Alright, yeah. Only we got that down. We gotta get a refrigerator. We'll get the refrigerator later. No, we done all this. We get the refrigerator today. You can't just randomly get a fridge. We got other stuff to do. Where do you want to go get it from? You got to do the yard. You got plenty. I want to do the refrigerator today. You'll get the refrigerator when you get the refrigerator.
What is wrong with that one?
What's wrong with that? Look at. That's what's wrong with it. What's wrong with it? Yeah, that's what's wrong with the damn thing. It's broke. Now, let's go get a refrigerator. Charlie, why don't you come pick some of this shit up, dude? Get in there. Chill. Get out. What? Get out. I want a refrigerator. You're not getting it. Charlie, can you help me? We gotta put these shelves back up, dude. I said we gotta go refrigerator today.
You're not getting it.
Dad?
Man, we fucking got everything.
Now don't worry at all. The refrigerator. You're not getting it. You gonna be? I'm leaving, dude. I'm out of here. Now you gotta what you gonna eat. Now you can have a goddamn stove. Stop! Jesus Christ! Stop it! Dude, it's time to stop! It ain't breaking, now stop it! Jesus Christ, Dad! Now I need a new stove. Now I need smoke. Let's go.
I don't think so.
That is just fucking fucked up.
Bridget always instigating. She needs to stop. She always instigating.
Frank, I'm sick of this shit with you! Fuck that.
I'm leaving. We gotta go, Richard. We gotta go. Get out.
You're so ungrateful.
Let's go, Bridget. Yeah! Don't do anything
So
stupid!
ungrateful.
Give me a call when you think I'm so good. Thank you.
I don't think so.
I'm not getting you anything.
You're not getting shit, dude. You're ungrateful. You're so.
Bridget, stop instigating.
Thank you.
You're not getting shit. So.
I want to stop outside.
Dude, seriously, let's go.
I gotta see what he's...
So it's that time of the video. It's time for me to end the video. So anyways, guys, it's gonna wrap up today's video. If you like this video, bring more people to the channel. 20 subs by the end of the year. Let's go. After this, I will be reacting to another video. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.